Hello YouTube family. We are going to be reviewing the what's it called? StoneStream Shower Head. Came in the mail the other day. We're gonna open it up. This is a gentleman's hardware wallet, all multi-tool thingy, so I'm using this. I like this a lot. I didn't do a review on it. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Who knows? But it's really, if you do things right, it's pretty effective. And as you can tell, it does things pretty well. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Minimal packing inside. Ooh. Okay, this is the water filter. Guessing this whole bag. Oh, okay. This is some tape. That's the filter itself. That's empty. All right. These are two pieces. It looks like stoppers or washers, maybe. Put this back in here. Nope, the dog's barking. Of course. Sorry about that. StoneStream. It looks pretty good inside. And of course my dad's up now. Alright, so that is the filter. This is the shower head itself. Kind of cool looking. So it's definitely all clear. Got your different, I guess, modes right here. I don't know what they are personally. Oh, I'm guessing like one's like a stream, one's more relaxed, I don't know. I'll figure out more of that later. And then this, I think, does this move around? I forget. Maybe it's just to clean for ripping. Stop button here. This is pretty important, so that you can just hit that and it'll stop the water flow, and then you can turn it back on and continue washing. These are the beads in here. So what I'm probably going to do, I'm wondering if, I don't remember if I was supposed to, I think this will connect to my pre-existing shower head line. Rinse the shower filter. Remove shower head or mount. Use plumber's tape to create like more of a seal. Attach shower filter to shower arm. Attach shower to shower filter. Oh, okay. So that's all that. All right, so this attaches. There's no line or anything. It's just literally this is gonna go on the pre-existing head, and the filter's gonna be here. All right, that makes some sense. All right, so in part 2, we will go over all of that. This is the cleaning instructions. So that's what we'll do for part 2. We're going to bring this into the shower. We're going to remove everything. We're going to install this and make it look cool. Alright guys? So thank you for seeing this. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Hey everyone. So I'm in the shower, and we're going to replace this pre-existing shower head with the stone head that we have now. The reason why I'm doing this is because this one's got like some buildup and whatever. It's kind of hard to see, but it's there. Water will divert and it will be like on angles and shit like that. So I want to eliminate that. So we have to like apparently take this off, and then the stone head's gonna be like fitted there with the filter. And so to give you an idea of what it looks like, just so you have a baseline here. So it looks good, but there's, you have to move to and fro. So we're going to do our thing right now, get rid of that. So get some more on the line here. Alright. Now, first thing apparently is to take this off, so unscrew this. Alright, so unscrewed. Old head is off. Now, I think I'm doing this correctly, but I'm not 100% sure. But it makes it look like I have to attach the I have to attach it to the see, it doesn't really tell me if I'm supposed to put it directly to the shower head itself or I'm gonna say I can't do it this side because I got stuff in the way. Well, let's see what would happen if I took this off. Let's just give this a let's just give this a go. See what happens here. So, oh, that's in there tight. See if we can, it's just this wire though. My filter, I don't think the filter's gonna work good. So if we were to, the filter could go, is there an up and down? I don't see an up or a down, but one would think that, okay, there is a wide end and a short end, and so I could do it like this. I could hook up the actual filter to the base of the pipe itself, then put the hose on this part, and then the shower head, the exit there. So I think that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do this first. Get this on. Nice and tight. Then we're going to attach this thing to here. Actually, shouldn't have been so tight. Let me back off on this a bit. Just so I have some wiggle room here. Oh, that's not enough space. I gotta do this like this. Alright. I'll do like this. So remove this guy. Need water? No, water. Okay, move this guy out of the way. Bring this guy over here. Alrighty. And once it grips, it grips. Like you can tell, it just gripped. So. Because I don't want a whole big, heavy filter at the, like holding onto my shower head and stuff. Let's see what I'm saying. So it is a big device, but I've also got all this stuff here. So let's see what we can do here. Let's see if I go through here. I might be able to make this work. Like, I'm going to shape this if I can. Like this. That works. Alright, bring this up. Looks like I have the room necessary there. So we're going to give this a thumbs up for now. And now we're going to attach the shower head itself. Oh. Uh-oh. It just seems to be wrong bag now. There are two O-rings. Two gaskets, if you will. Two O-rings. I'm not sure if those are necessary. They might have been. Let's be smart here and undo this. See if it's possibly required. No, so those might be for the hose because we have already on the hose. I think it was just for the hose. I think we're okay. I'm gonna say we're okay with that. I think those are just replacement pieces. But glad I checked. All right, cool. Glad I checked. All right, so let's put the shower head on now. Okay, again, very, very lightweight. All right, here we go with this. Oh, it's got a safety cap on it, so get rid of that first. Boom, yeah, all right. Almost done. Going to attach this to the hose. And I like the stop feature, the little stop button. I think I'm going to enjoy that. All right, let's give this a shot. Going low first, get a little bit of water in there. Yep. And then we have moving flow. Wow. That is power. Nice and gentle. Oh my god. That's all good. So it was different modes, but it's a nice gentle, not like too harsh, but that water flow is still there. That's really cool. And then stop. Okay, now the stop has a bit of an issue. So we gotta adjust our filter there. It's gotta maybe get tighter. So we gotta do that.